Today we want to talk about a problem that seems to be a relatively ongoing problem that we get. And what it is we'll get a call from a customer that says, my conveyor won't run. What's wrong? Well, 90% of the time or even more, it's the fact this cement auger discharge is plugged up. So how can we tell that? Number one, you can take this sock off, you can feel up inside the auger with the unit shut off to see if there's cement buildup. The other option, we can shut the hydraulics off to this auger, and you do that by the selector valve. So you shut it off, we go to the other side of the unit, we turn the clutch off on the cement, and I pull my lever on the conveyor. Does the conveyor run? If it runs, this tells me you have cement blockage here. So we'd want to pull the sock off and pull your rubber band off and loosen the clamp, pull it off, and take a dead blow hammer, a rubber hammer, go up inside, whatever it takes, but get that cement buildup out of there. And what happens over time is cement builds up due to the humidity at night. So you park the truck outside, it rained last night, or it was a very humid night. Well, the moisture collects in here. So when you start the unit first thing in the morning, that moisture will grab some cement and it just slowly builds up to where it starts choking off the cement flow. So you can't fall away as fast as it's coming in, so it stalls out the system. So clean it out. That should be a weekly inspection. You should be checking that discharge so you don't have this problem when you're in the middle of a pour. Is check it, make sure it's clean. When you're storing, when you're driving down the road, you want to roll up the sock, stick it in here so that it stops all the moisture from getting in there. That will help. It also stops any dribbling when you're bouncing down the road and you get cement buildup down in the auger, down at the base where that hangs down. So little preventive maintenance will help you down the road. So once you get it cleaned out, put your hydraulics engaged, put your clutch back in, you're ready to run and continue your pour.